Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Today's video is me and Zeska's going to car wash just because I've been away for mostly every day now, and it's a long drive, and my car is totally dirty. So we need to go to the car wash. We choose to the machines. So we just went to the close by where I live, and there's a um, touch wash there, touchless, or how the I don't know how they called it, but it's just you just want to go there and punch in your code, and everything is in the machine. You just get in and let your car wash, right? So we just jump in, and but it's better to if you go to the manual car wash, because you have to do it manual, like brushing your car. It's better done with than if you go to the touchless, right? So you don't have to do anything, just go inside, sit down, and everything is they do it for you, the machine. So the only difference between the touchless is you just do nothing. Instead of you go yourself and do it into the manual car wash machine, is you have to do it, spray and brush your car, and that's totally the good one for me, because that's only my opinion, right? So I don't want to the touchless machine, it's to be discouraged like that. No, just for myself, that it's better to have to do it for yourself and do a brush, because everything outside, especially those bugs stuck in your car when you're driving, mostly like long drive, you remove it. You can remove it by using the brush, because they have everything in there, like the brush and also the soup and like the bubble soap. Everything's in there. If you do it manual, all you have to do is just put the coins there, and it depends how much you're gonna use it for the car wash. And touchless car wash is it depends also what you need, or what you want, right? So there's like minimum of $9 and up. So I choose the special, because maybe I just want to try, right? So I paid for $12 for this, and you know what happened after our car wash? Normally everyone's experience for this situation, and let's go and watch what's going on this video. So let's go and watch my video. Don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna washing whitey, because it's really dirty na si whitey ko.
Is that bubble? Is that?
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
Ayan, si Zeska, excited siya ang nagsabi na i-car wash mo na si Whitey kasi very dirty na. Ayan, after our shopping in our school supply, so nagpa-car wash din si Whitey. Ayaw magpalamang ni Whitey. Si Whitey kailangan din niyang magpagasto. Kaya yan, nagpaligo.
nagpa-bubbles. Ayan. Ayan na.
What is that? It's gonna wash.
Nagkarwas. Iba't ibang kulay. Different color of
Is that a color
soup.
bubble?
Yeah, the bubbles. Ayan sa likod.
It's scary now. Why does it look like there's darkness? That's scary now. It looks like darkness. Just kidding, I'm not scared.
Ayan na. Wash, wash, wash.
Hey, no, what's in it? Wash it.
Bless me.
Oh, why do it look like this? Why do it look like that?
Naliligo si Whitey. Ayan. Ayan sa likod. Ayan.
Wow, so loud.
Naliligo si Whitey kasi
Don't open your window, right?
no. If you wanna open the window, then it means that you wanna take a bath with Whitey.
Yeah.
Yeah, you go had a shower with the Whitey.
No. Yeah,
No?
I
Only Whitey got showered, right?
I think last time in there, someone opened the window.
Yeah.
And she said, "Well, I like the one like the
Special wash yung kinuha kong washer. So, itong binuhos niya is yung pampadulas ng mga alikabok. Ayan. Ligo-ligo din si Whitey pag may time. Ayan.
Last time we going out, right? If this song's not even working, but it's still 4, that means that he looked like a second. If you come back, what is the party?
That is surface protection or surface protectant ang nilagay niya kay Whitey. Ay nakalagay doon sa kulay yellow. Surface protectant. Ayan. And then drive forward. Tapos na siya. Ayan. Ayan, forward, drive forward. I-blower na si Whitey. Ayan. I-blower. Ayan. Naka-blower. 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 We have 21 minutes. Ayan na. Tapos na. Baka makabagsakan na tayo ng ayan na, yung bagong car wash na siya. Ayan. Close it, siska. Go, 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 go. Ayan.
Bagong ligo na siya. Ito lang, hindi natanggal. Hindi lang to natanggal. Matigas na siya. Kailangan siyang kuskusin, i-brush.
It's not dirty. It's not dirty, Mom.
Ayan, hindi niyo makikita pag
I did this.
ganito. Kailangan siyang i-scrub. Ayan na. Ayan. Bagong. So, ito yung sinabi ko sa inyo na hindi lang ako ang nakaranas ng ganitong pangyayari na pagkatapos ng car wash ay bubuhos ang malakas na ulan o kaya snow. So, napakagandang araw ngayon. Bukas ay may snow or malakas na ulan. So, sinong nakapag experience dyan na hindi lang ako? So, ayan. Taas ang kamay. Joke lang. Anyway, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at suporta sa aking channel. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe ng aking channel, please click the notification bell para lahat ng mga videos ko na bago ay man-notify kayo. So, pasensya na at nabubulo lang inyong gandang lola dahil tao lang po ay lahat tayo ay nagkakamali at nagkabulol-bulol na. Anyway, maraming salamat once again and God bless anyone. Take care, stay safe, and shout out to all my members and to all MPC members and Team NL Explorer. Shout out sa inyong lahat at naway na sa magandang pangangatawan kay lagi. And God bless you all. Babushka. Thank you once again for your subscribing and supporting my channel. Bye for now. I'm here again. This area is going to work, and normally this is my routine every day while going to work. We are closer now to the building that I work at, so just only one turn in this corner and we are there at my work company. So to those who don't know where I work, now I have to tell you I working at a casino here in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. So if you are here in Canada or in Edmonton or whoever, come and visit me in River Creek Casino at Lapatak Road, Enoch area. So to those who know me, you guys always welcome to come and visit me, and you can play there, but it's not free. I can give you free drinks, and that's all I can accommodate for now. So enjoy, guys.